Hello everyone, welcome back to CourseCoupons.me. So today in this video I'm going to show you some of the best selling courses on Udemy which are absolutely free. You just have to use these coupons and you can enroll in these courses for absolutely free. Some of courses related to Python, programming, marketing, business, finance and making money online, JavaScript, the programming as well. So there are some of the most best trending and selling courses I'm going to give away these coupons. So stay tuned and watch till the end so that you don't miss any of the coupons. Now if you're new to this channel, do subscribe and give a like and also tap into the notification so that whenever I come up with a new video, whenever I come up with the new course coupons, make sure you get those first and you can enroll in those before it expires. So with that being said, let's dive into the coupons. The first course in the list is how to make money online for beginners. Follow proven steps. Now this course will help you earn some money online, which are some of the proven steps that used by this guy over here. His name is you can see the author. It was called Rupik Cute. You can check in the description what are the things that he is going to tell you with, what are the requirements needed, and the description as well. Now this course is 3 hours on demand video with full lifetime access. The coupon is very big, but the link will be in the description, so that when you just click on the link and you can come to this page and enroll. No need of applying coupons. The link will be with coupon applied. Second course in the list is storytelling with imagery for persuasion and personal branding. Now this is a very new course. As you can see, it has just released with 4 hours on demand video, 14 downloadable resources with full lifetime access. You can see what you can learn to create imagery in that inspires emotions, and requirements is none, but the description, you can check out the description before you're enrolling. Now the third course in the list is Java. Now this is one of the best selling courses. As you can see, it has more than 2 lakh students have enrolled and 4.4 ratings, and there are more than 2000 ratings. 2000 people have rated for this course. Obviously, it is one of the trending and famous courses with complete detail on the subject. You can see from zero to first job practical guide with 600 plus examples. As you can see, it has 29.5 hours, almost 30-hour long video, 2 practicals, 2 articles, 38 coding exercises, and it has a certificate of completion. Now, this certificate is going to add a lot of value to get you the first job. All you can do is apply the coupon Java July free 2. Now this coupon, I'll give the link in the description. So before you enroll, you can check out what are the descriptions, requirements, and the course contents that are he's going to explain in this video, and what you can learn from this course. So you can check in the description. Now the fourth course in the list is functional programming plus lambdas, method references and streams. You can learn amazing features in Java with functional programming, lambda functions, and method references and stream using API. Now it's a short video on 2 hours and 2 coding exercises. It also has a certificate once you complete the course. You can check the description, course content, what are you going to learn, what are the requirements needed, and what is the description of this course. You can check, and if it suits your interest, you can enroll it. So the next course is we have JavaScript plus jQuery with bonus Vue.js intro. Now it is another one of the best selling courses with the most demanding courses in JavaScript, because it has more than 1 lakh students enrolled and more than 1000 students have rated for this course, and it has almost 4.5 star rating. It is 17 hours long, which means it's a complete theory on the complete explanation on the subject. 1 article plus 12 downloadable resources with full lifetime access. It's available for only 2 days at this price. Guys, enroll it as soon as it's possible, because it might expire. Sometimes the coupons will be unlimited, sometimes it's limited to some numbers. So if it is unlimited, you can enroll it anytime you want, but if it is limited, you need to enroll it as ASAP. You get this video, you just click on this enroll now and take this course, because it's a very premium course which is available only for free. It's for free right now. Next course on the list is full stack programming for complete beginners in Python. Now you want to be a full stack programmer in Python, this course is for you, because it has more than 96,000 students enrolled with 4.4 star ratings. It is also another long full complete explanation on the topic. has 10 hours video on demand, 43 downloadable resources, 5 coding exercises, and you can see it's accessible on both mobile as well as TV. You can take this course in any device you want, either mobile or TV. You will also get a certificate which can add a lot of value to your resume. And you can check the descriptions as well. You can check all the requirements and the description of the course content which is given over here. And if it suits your interest, and you can just click on enroll now button. So moving on to the next course is data visualization and data wrangling masterclass with Python. Another course related to Python with data visualization. It's a new course with 9,000 students have already enrolled in it. 8 hours on video demand, 2 articles, and you'll also get a certificate. You can check over here if the courses you are enrolling will get a certificate or not. They have mentioned you are going to get a certificate once you complete the course. Once again, you can check all the course content details before enrolling. I'll just move on to the another courses. So the next course in the list is time management mastery, boosting your productivity and saving time. Time management is one of the biggest skill you can manage, because managing time is very difficult and very important in today's era, because time is money. So this course is 44 minutes on demand video which will tell you the skill, which you can learn the skill of time management with 7 downloadable resources and full-time access, and you also get a certificate of completion. You can check the course content, whatever things you're going to learn: optimizing productivity, force, task management, prioritizing your daily tasks, and paying attention to your time, setting up daily systems, setting a schedule, bottom line, and thank you. That's just a last ending topic. It's one of the key skill that you can enroll right now. It's a very important skill in 2021 as far as I know. So the next course is for the procurement engineers. So all those who are in a purchase department, you have to know about negotiation, because negotiating is one of the key skill a procurement engineer can, or anyone who's working in a purchase department should have. So if you're in that department, or if you want to move into that department, you can take this course, which is 4.5 hours long and 2 downloadable resources with full lifetime access. The description is a basic English, and it's a must, because it doesn't matter which country you are in, a basic English is a must for negotiation, as it's a global languages. But it will also depend on the country you are in. Now that's a basic requirement, because the course instructor is in English, so you need to have some basic understanding of English to enroll in these courses. And rest of the descriptions you can go through. What I'm going to teach, what are the course contents, how to bargain, how to negotiate, what is the best results, outcomes. So moving on to the next course, we have public speaking, the way to give presentations without fear. Public speaking is one of the key skill and very demanded skill in 2021. As we move in a digital era, public speaking is a must. So we have it here with 1.5 hours on demand video with certificate of completion. The requirements are very simple. You just have the willingness to learn and willingness to apply these methods. That's very true, because until unless you apply any of the learned skill, it's of no use. So this is for those who want to overcome the fear of and want to give a presentation at their best. You can take this course, as it's a very rare course, because public speaking is very important, and the courses they appear for free are very rare as far as I've seen. So you have a chance to enroll. Do take a opportunity, because you have the coupons. Enroll it for free. Next course is ASP.NET, an entry framework database first. Now this course is for the software engineers who want to learn this ASP.NET. You can check the descriptions. It has more than 4.4 star of rating, and more than 50,000 students have enrolled. I'm not a techie guy, so I think you can know who if it is important or not. It sure has 6.5 hours on demand video, and it has 4 downloadable resources with full lifetime access, and you can go through the descriptions, and if it suits your knowledge or interest, you can have this course. Anyway, it's for free. Next course in the list is Adobe Illustrator 2021 Ultimate course. Now if you want to learn Adobe Illustrator and design something, this is the best and the best selling courses. It is more than 1 lakh students have enrolled with 4.1 star rating, and it's a short course because it has only 4 hours on demand video. It's not a complete course. So I think for starters you can join it because it has a complete basic to it, and you can check the course content, what are the topics they're going to teach you, and you can enroll in it. Now the last course in the list we have on dieting, which is the keto recipe, their food ketogenic diet. Now if you want to learn this is very one of the famous topic in dieting and dieting recipe, ketogenic. It has 6.5 hours on demand video, 2 articles and 1 downloadable resources, and you can check the requirements and the description and the author who is going to teach you all these courses on ketogenic, keto food, how to stay healthy. So the links and all the coupon codes with the links to these courses, what I've told you right now, will be in the link in the description. So don't worry about any links. You can check all the links in the description. Do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when I come up with a new video, you'll get these courses first. So I'll see you guys in another video.